Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to our channel. So in this video we'll discuss the philosophy of ethics or deep dive. Okay, so let's get start. Okay, now the philosophy of ethics, also known as moral philosophy, is a branch of philosophy that explores questions about what is and wrong, how we should behave, and what principles should guide our actions. It seeks to understand the nature of morality, the basics for ethical judgment, and the principles that underline our moral discussion. Making here will take a deep dive into the key concepts, theories, and debates within the field of ethics. So, now the first point number is meta-aesthetic. Now, meta-aesthetic is connected with the nature and meaning of ethical statement. It addressed questions such as: are moral statement objective or subjective? Do moral facilities Do moral facts exist independently of human beliefs and opinions? Metals theories include more realism, more anti-realism, and more naturalism. Okay, so guys, moral realism asserts that there are objective moral facts that exist independently of human thought and belief. And different variants of moral realism include ethical objectivism and moral absolutism. Okay, the next is moral anti-realism argues that moral facts are either non-existent or dependent on individual or social attitude. These categories include moral relativism and moral subjectivism. Okay, now the next is normative ethics. Normative ethics focus on just a minute. Focus on determining the standards or norms that guide over moral conduct. Okay, it quotes like what action are morally right or wrong, what principles should we use to make ethical decisions. Okay, the next is uti- utilitarianism suggests. Okay, that the morally right actions is the one the maximized overall happening or minimize serving for the greater number of people. Okay, the next is deontology. Okay, asserts that certain action are inherently right or wrong regardless of their consequence. Immanuel Kant categorical imperative is a notable denominatological principle. Okay, sorry, the next is deontology asserts that certain actions are inherently right or wrong regardless of their consequences. Emmanuel Cathological imperative is a notable deontological principle. Okay, the next is virtual atheistic. Impassive the development of which of various characters trails as the key of ethical behavior. Philosophers like Aristotle and Aldaster may cater as contribute of these approaches. Okay. Now the next is applied ethics. Applied ethics address specific moral issues and dilemmas in various fields such as ethical business, ethical environment, assets assets and bioethics. It involves the applications of normal ethics to real world situations. Okay, the next is medical ethics. Explore topics like doctor patient relationships and of life discussion and the ethical of medical research. Okay, the next is business ethical. Deals with moral issues in the corporate world, including corporate social responsibility, ethical decision making, business, and fair treatment of employees and stakeholders. Just a moment, please. Okay, business ethics now deals with moral issues in the corporate world, including corporate social responsibility, ethical decisions making in business, and fair treatment of employees and stakeholders. Okay, environmental ethics. Conductors' ethical responsibilities towards the environment, sustainable practices, and over moral obligations of future generation. Bioethics covers ethical dilemmas in the field of biotechnology, general and medical research. Okay, now point number four is ethics and society. Ethics has significant impact on society, influencing laws, social norms, and public policy database. In these areas include discussions or moral value in political justice and social inequality. Okay, now the next is okay, just a bit. Now the last point is contemporary database. Ethical database continues to evolve, addressing issues such as AI, ethics, environmental sustainability, global justice, and the ethics of emerging technologies like gender increasing and artificial intelligence. In conclusion, the philosophy of ethical dives deeply into the nature of morality, offering various theories and approaches to guide ethical decisions making and addressing a wide range of moral issues in society. It's an ongoing and dynamic field that plays a critical role in shaping our individual and collective moral compass. So, guys, bye bye.